Welcome to my vlog. Hey you guys, welcome to my vlog once more. So today I'm going to be making some saltfish with baked bean with some vegetable rice, and stay tuned for it. So here's my basic ingredients. The saltfish, what the saltfish looks like. Some sweet pepper, some onion, some tomato, some scotch bonnet, veg, and the baked bean. Alright, so I'm gonna make the saltfish go and soak off into some water before I put it to boil. So now this is what the saltfish looks like after I have soaked it in some water. So now I'm going to be placing it in some boiling water. Alright people, so I'm going to be doing the rice now. I'm going to be adding some butter and the mixed vegetable. Alright, so now I'm basically just waiting for the rice to be ready before I saute my saltfish. This is a affordable and a nutritious meal, so I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. Alright, so after you have boiled the saltfish for a couple of minutes, then you put it to cool down, and you're definitely gonna remove this part from it and remove all the bones as well. Okay guys, so this is my finished product. It looks so beautiful. Now I'm going to dig into this and certainly enjoy it. Thanks for tuning in once more. I'll see you next time. Bye.